When you say I miss the things we do, I just want to get back close again to you. But for now, your voice is new enough. Oh, I miss you and I miss you, Lord. And all the days that pass me by so slow, all the emptiness inside me flows around, and there's no way out. I'm just thinking so much of you. There was never any doubt. I can wait forever. If you say you'll be there too, I can wait forever if you will. I know it's wrong at all to spend my life alone with you. As though my life was wrong, between my life and it is so too long. I'll be here when hope is outside, and I just wish that I was next to you tonight. And I'll be reaching for you, even though you'll be somewhere else to love you, like a girl who would stay back home. I could never let you go, and I just want you to know I can wait forever. If you say you'll be there too, I can wait forever if you will. I know it's wrong, Lord, to spend my life alone. Alone, because we share deep and strong somehow.